My wife was telling me that the water upstairs on the second floor was getting cold really fast. So we have this Rheem water heater, and I am going to show you how to turn up the temperature on a Rheem water heater. The first thing I did was I got my drill, and it has Phillips head screws here, and I unscrewed these two screws. I'll just show you here. This plate was up here like so. But before you do any of this, make sure you go to the fuse box over in the corner and turn the power off. The power must be off first before you do this, because you will get yourself lit up for real, for real. So I took the plate off, and here you have this white part. You don't touch that at all. You don't touch the white part. You just leave it like that. Those are the red power cord in back, the blue right in back. And if you look right in here, I'll show you. I'll move it as close as I can. You see there, the temperature of the water is right below 125 degrees. So I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to give it a little bit more than a quarter turn past 125. Maybe about 130, 135, and see if that changes the thing. So you get a safety screwdriver with the tip on it here, and it's a safety screwdriver, and you go in there and you put it in that little slot, and you turn it up slowly. Just take your time. It's sticky. Just slowly get it in there. Oh, come on. And you see I'm turning. So now I got it up to about 140. That should be good. And so when you get done with that, you take the pads and you put them back in here. They're kind of like indented, so you know where they go, like this little square. This one will go in here. Just shove that back in there like so. Press it in, and then take the other one and you put it in like that. Take your cover panel, make sure it's right side up. You'll see that thing there, and you set it on there. Line it up with the holes. See there, we got it lined up, and I'm doing this for you now. Let me grab a screw here, and we're gonna set a screw in this hole, like so, in there. Put that in there, kind of adjust it a little bit so it can go in. Okay, so that one's sitting in there, so that stays. I'm gonna get my screw gun. I'm not gonna press it too hard. I'm just gonna get it back in there. Perfect, it's in there. Take your last screw and dump that in the hole in the bottom here. There you go. It's kind of being frisky with me there. Okay, there I go, I dropped the screw. Okay, where did I drop the screw? Oh, there it is. Okay, I found it. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna get that in there. There we go, I found it. Then we'll grab the drill, which is behind me. Let's see if this works here. And place it on there. Okay. Can't find the hole there. Ha! So let's get it back there. You gotta get this right. Well, as you know, you just gotta put the other screw in, and I'll take a picture when I get the screw back in, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. How to turn up the heat in a Rheem water heater. I'm Don Allen signing off.